Hey guys, SKC Hobbies here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Bushido from Element RC. So if you'd like to see what's inside, please keep on watching. As expected with the LiPo combo, it does include a really compact balance charger and a really LiPo battery. It also comes with a 3-channel radio transmitter. As you can see, the body comes pre-painted with clear windows and includes a highly detailed decal sheet along with extra decals for making the Bushido your own. It does come with a StealthX transmission with adjustable overdrive, 16-turn 5-stack brush motor, Reedy Power SC480X ESC, and a threaded aluminum shock bodies. So there you have it guys, it's the Bushido right out of the box. If you'd like to see a running video of the Bushido, please like and subscribe and follow for more.